In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this dynamic search box here in Google Sheets. So in this search box that I created, if I enter a keyword, let's say the word cake, and I press enter, this area will be populated with the matching results from that keyword. So let's go ahead and recreate this. We're going to be using the functions filter, isNumber, and search. So in this example, I have two sheets. The first sheet is where we are going to create that search box, and the second sheet will be where our original data is. So what we're going to do is to pull out the data that will match our search key right here, and it will populate this area right here. So let's go ahead with our formula. Start with your equal sign, type in filter, or select it right here. There we have it. Let's select our range, and that's going to be in our sheet number 2 right here. So that's the entire thing without our headers. So select that with your mouse pointer. There you go. Or by pressing Control Shift, right arrow key and down arrow key to select everything except your headers. There we have it, comma. Now for our first condition, that's going to be with our isNumber function. Again, type it in or select it right here. And within our isNumber function for our value, we are using the search function. Click on that, and for our search for, we're going to be referencing to this cell right here where we are putting our search key, comma, and then the text to search, which will be our range on the second sheet right here under our baked goods column. So select that, there we go. If we go back, here is our formula. We have our filter first, then our entire range. Next is our isNumber function, then our search function with our cell reference to this cell right here, and our range where we are going to search our baked goods. So there we have it. Once you press enter, we have our entire data populating this area right here because at the moment we haven't put in a search key. If we do, let's say again, put in cake, there we have it. Let's try and change that with cookies, press enter, and some more, and there you have it. That's how you can create this dynamic search box here in Google Sheets. Again, our formula is right here. We have our filter, our range, our isNumber function, our search function, our cell reference, and our column where we're going to search those baked goods. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.